All right, so prepositions, right? Things like in, at, on, to, of, over, by, from, right? So these kind of like connector words. These are, in a sense, vocab questions, right? Because certain prepositions just go in certain phrases, right? In this instance, it's a comparison, right? You just kind of have to know what preposition goes in what context, right? So in a sense, it doesn't really follow a grammar rule. So in a sense, it's kind of like a really a vocab thing. So, or contextually vocab, right? So a lot of people will pick A for this, but you actually don't say prefer football. I wouldn't say I prefer one thing over another thing. It's actually the phrase is prefer to. You prefer one thing to another, right? You wouldn't say, do you prefer football more than? I wouldn't prefer something more than. I prefer one thing to another. So C and D. And if you even didn't know that, you could at least say, like, you should even think logically that, like, if C was correct in this context, D would probably have to be correct, and vice versa, D and C. So you should at least be able to get rid of C, and D, but then you'd be left with A and B. So prefer to is just a phrase. So answer choice B.